You are about to meet a team of Homefront Heroes from World War II. Greenfield's tap and die industry was crucial to the war effort. Our tools made the screw threads that assembled our country's production. We also made it possible for our allies to keep their machines fighting while their own factories were being bombed. So vital was this mission that anti-aircraft placements defended us from Hitler's war machine. Threadwell was part of this revolutionary tap and die industry. The origin of this film is a mystery to us. We are nearly certain it is wartime, based on the car models, clothing styles, and an almost complete absence of young men in this employee parade. This 77-second film is certainly not Hollywood quality, but is still a worthwhile gem of history. This bit of 35mm nitrate negative film was found in our collection in 2012. We scanned it in HD and then produced this movie sequence. Home movies were not made with 35mm negative film. It is a mystery how or why this was made. Maybe it is a bit of film stock left over from a professional project. Perhaps an employee was coached on how to use the camera, and then everybody went into the parking lot to finish the end of the reel. Please contact us if you know anything about this film or can identify anyone in it.